But I have to do this. I have to prove to you all that I am fearless. I have to let you know that calling my elder brother can't stop me from doing what I wish to do. I want to let you know who I am. I want to show you what my personality is. For many years, I have been doing this. It gives me joy to communicate with people. It gives me joy to advocate for my people. It gives me joy to fight for the freedom of my people. But some people have decided to use it against me by calling my elders, reporting me here and there. And I'm talking to our people here in Maputo. Old men who supposed to be doing the needful. All they do is to watch you online and call your brother. And these people doing this, it's not as if they don't have your number. They do have your number. But they don't want to get straight to you because they want favor. Or because they want to bring you down. Or because they are scared that you may become greater than them. That's why they report you. They do this, they do that. They gossip about you, doing everything just to bring you down. Let me tell you all, I've never insulted anybody in this country. I've never disrespected anybody in this country. But I'm going to say God punish you today. All you old men, all you young boys, all you people, when you see me on the street, you forgot my name and you call me Biafra as if you don't know my name again. God punish you 20 times. I know that many of you are watching, and I'm doing this thing for you to call my brother and tell him that I've started filming again. And I want you to know something. Nobody, not even my own mother, can stop me fighting for Biafra. No, they have never born that person. I will say it now. I will say it again. I will say it over and over. Not even my mother. The woman, the only help I have on this planet Earth, the love of my life, my greatest gift ever, my mother, not even her, can stop me talking of Biafra. Why are you people gossiping about me? Why are you going around? Why are you calling my brother to tell my brother about me? What do you profit from that? Do you want to see us fight? Do you want I and my brother start having? Is that your plan? You want us to start having problems? You want to see I and my brother fighting on the street? Is that what you want? Is that why you called him to tell him about me? Why can't you call me straight? Why can't you come to me and tell me that this thing I'm doing, that I'm not getting it, I'm not doing it right? Why are you calling my senior brother? Are you calling him to stop me? Are you calling him to frog me? Are you calling him to beat me? Why are you calling my senior brother? Look, let me tell you, all of you living here in Maputo. Let me tell you people, I've never insulted any of you. And you know what? I've never insulted you people does not mean that I'm afraid of you. But I'm giving you the respect that due to you. I respect you as an elder. But if you disrespect yourself where I am, I will help you to disrespect yourself. What's wrong with the people? Our people. Why are you talking about me? You don't support Biafra. Why are you forcing me not to support Biafra? Why are you forcing me not to talk about Biafra? Why are you calling my brother to what's your business? Have you ever helped me? How many years have I been in this country? Have any of you given me kobo? Have any of you call me one day and tell me, take this container, go and sell it and use the money? When I have problem in this country that I was inside, did any of you come there to visit me? Not even single of you. It was these Biafran people. It was the same IPOB people that you want me to stop talking about. It was them. And then I was not even their member. They are the one who came there to visit me. They are the one who came there and tell me that all will be well. They are the one who come there to console me. None of you, not even single one of you. But all you do is anytime I come online, you will call my brother and tell my brother that you are trying to set me against my own brother. You are trying to make my own blood to hate me. You are trying to scatter the relationship I have with my brother. What shall it profit you, old man? If you feel that you are an advisor, if you feel that you love to advise people, why can't you come straight to me? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? You are a very good advisor, but you cannot advise your manhood. How many of you in this country that have wives there in Nigeria, but you are having kids here and there in this country? How many of you are pregnanting primary schools and secondary school girls in this country and giving them money to go and do abortion? Do you think I don't know you people? Look, let me tell you, I have all your password here. If you people think you can set me up, I will expose you people one after the other and nothing will happen. The only thing that can ever happen to me, the only thing that can happen to me is to kill me. That's the greatest thing you people can ever do to me. And let me tell you, when I die, I don't even know. If you people want it in this country, I will tell you that I know all your ways. I know your in and out. Look at good advisors. You will come to tell me, oh, don't do Biafran thing. Don't do that. You call my elder brother because you know that I'm junior one. Then you call my elder brother that your brother he will put you in trouble. You are very good in advising people, but you can't advise your own self. You are very good in advising, but you are going around sleeping with people's secretary, with women even girls who are working for you in your shop. And you are a very good advisor, and every night you are in nightclub taking prostitute while your women, your wife is there in Nigeria and your children, and you are here doing bobo. You are a very good advisor and you can't advise your manhood, but you want to advise me. Oh, don't do Biafra thing. What's your business if Biafra is what I love? Why are you setting me against my own brother? Why are you telling my brother things to provoke him? Why are you trying to scatter I and my own blood, my own sibling? Why are you doing that? Look, let me tell all of you. I know many of you are watching, and today will be the last day any of you will see me on the street and call me IPOB. Today will be the last, because I know the reason why. It's not as if I don't accept the name. Of course, I accept the name very well, but you know that that's not my name. That's who I am. That's not my name. That's who I am. I am indigenous person. But I know the reason why you people are called. If you see me on the street, you call me IPOB. One stupid idiot saw me last time. That was on Sunday. He called me IPOB. That's to show people that I've entered. He a stupid non-entity who don't even know his left and right. All he do is to smoke around. And if you see me, you will shout IPOB. So people will clap. You see me as a fool. Why you are the one fool? You are the most stupid thing I have ever come across on this planet Earth. What's wrong with you people? Let me tell all of you, all you old men living here in Maputo, God punish all of you. I've never insulted anybody. I never want to do that, but I'm doing that now. God forgive me, but God punish all of you. Any day you open your mouth to talk about me, God punish you. It doesn't matter how rich you are in this country. I don't care who you are. Even some of you, you claim to be, you can't even count your money. You can't even boldly speak where people are. And you are there. All you do is to call people's brother, to set them against their own brother. What's your business? If you're a good person, why can't you call me direct? If you're a very good person who want the peace of brothers, why can't you tell my brother if you don't have my number? Why can't you tell my brother to give you my own number? You want to talk to me. Why can't you advise me? What's your business if I do IPOB? IPOB I'm doing, am I killing people? Am I pregnating people's wife? Have you ever seen me on the street smoking? Have you seen me ever say that people say that I rape someone? Have you seen me do anything bad in this country? Do I have any bad record in this country? Do I? Amongst you who sleep with young girls, going in jail and coming out of jail, have you ever heard that I did something like that? I only agitate for my people. Why are you against it? Why are you against it? Why are you people scared that I'm becoming bigger than you people? Are you people scared that I'm taking over in this country? Why are you setting me against my own brother? I'm doing this video for you. Send it right now. Call him right now and tell him that I'm doing the video. God punish all of you. All of you. All of you. God punish any one of you that go against what I believe. God punish that person. I don't have to beg God to make you people to repent. I don't want to beg God to make you people to understand. God punish you because you people are evil. If you don't like what I do, leave me. You have never supported me. There is nothing I do, I call you, you support. So why if you think you are a very good advisor, call me and give me $2 million. If you call me and give me $2 million, then I will know that now you are ready to advise. Why can't you save yourself that energy you are using to advise and use it for needful things? Instead of going against people who are agitating for the restoration of their own people, including you, animal. I say God punish all of you. That's what I'm saying. God, up from A to Z of you in this country where I'm living, God punish all of you. That's what I'm telling you people. If you see me on the street tomorrow, if I greet you, if you like, don't respond. I'm talking to our people, Igbo people living here in Maputo. God punish all of you from A to Z of you who are against me. God punish you people, all of you. I'm telling you, nothing you people will do. Call my brother right now and tell him that I've started again. God will punish all of you. Not even the mother that gives birth to me can stop me. Talk less of you animals. Who are you to stop me? What's your business if I agitate for Biafra? Even if I naked myself because of Biafra, what's your business? Why are you setting brothers against brothers? That's how you people go about scattering people's family. That's how you people go about putting troubles in people's family. And someone who don't have sense will think you people you mean good. How do you mean? If I put my brother in trouble, leave him. It's my own brother. If I put myself in trouble, leave me. It's me. It's my own. It's not you that will go jail for me. If Nigerian government decide to jail me, allow them to jail me. Not you that will jail me. Not you will go to jail. If I do anything in this country that warrant to be in jail because I'm fighting for my people, it's not you. If they ask you to die for me, you will not die. So why are you advising me? God punish you. Next time you call me or call my brother to talk about, God will punish you. God will punish you that very day. You are an idiot. If you are not idiot, you will not do that. You advise your manhood. All of you, idiots. Some of you, your wife is even living in this country, but you follow people's secretary, women who work for. Some of them are even having HIV, and you people go around following them. After your wife will, God punish you. All of you, I'm telling you, God punish you. Anything you will do it. God punish you. And living in this country, none of you have ever given me kobo. But all you do anytime you see me, oh, okay, brother. If okay is not rich, Can any of you give him information? If my brother, if he's not rich, can any of you give him information? Am I the only one doing the IPOB? Why is it that only my brother you people will call? Why can't you people call other people's brothers? Why can't you people do that? God punish all of you. You are calling my God punish all of you, all you brown teeth old men living here in Maputo, and some idiots some young guys, foolish young guys living here. After you drink Pret and this thing, you will come out to call my brother. God punish all of you. God punish. God, if God should kill you people and raise you from death and kill you again, idiots. You are calling my brother. If you want to ask my brother, if you want a favor from my brother, go to him, ask him for favor. Don't use me. Don't ever call my name. God punish all of you. I'm the one who said God punish you people. Call him right now. Send the video to him that I say so. God punish you, all of you, idiots. You are calling my brother to tell him about me. God punish you. Die before your time. That's what I'm saying. Foolish people.